don't want to hit the back of the ankle, no way. I mean, that's to be fair, let's try this side across here, yeah? And the other side? I'll tell you what, they're good. They are very good. Ready?
Yay for the lever eyes, man.
And the chain's still sharp enough to cut. They would actually take a direct hit. They take a direct hit there all day long, that's metal. But they take side hits really, that I'll tell you what, that lever's like, it's tough as a cow's arse, mate. Where you don't want to hit yourself is around the ankle areas. But even still, where did it? Yeah, mate, the boots are well good. I thought they would just, they're actually fucking good.
Get some lever eyes, mate.
Well, any of them are going to be like that, aren't they?
Oh, I don't know, can I start this all right?
Ready, mate? You like that? That works. Right, let's try it all around. Yeah. Pretty good, mate. Fucking hell. Oh, we don't want to hit the side there. You see that? Well, so look, if you look at the heel has only got, doesn't look like the heel, the protection doesn't seem to cover the heel. See where that bit there is? The protection seems to, I might be wrong, but it don't look like it covers it. Let's get this fucker out, alright. You can't. So yeah, there you go. So the chainsaw protection, let's see how many layers we got here. We have, that doesn't look like protection yet, it looks like, I don't know what that is. So there's your protection there. That's how thick your chainsaw protection is. So it literally comes across there. There must be some in there, hopefully. So anyway, let's count the layers. We have 1, 2, 3. We only have 3 layers. 1. Yes, 1 layer, 2 layer. 3 layers of chainsaw protection. And for some reason it seems like it misses the heel. I might be wrong, but anyway, we sharpened the chainsaw. Yeah, we sharpened the chainsaw up because it weren't blunt, but where we'd hit the metal on the thing, obviously it made it harder to cut. As you've just seen there, I've just violently thrown it into the saw. I've got a massive kickback on the last bit by design, obviously, but you can see the results. So they're really good, but a sharp, high-powered saw can get through them, but they're a lot better than the forearm protection, and it does seem like they will take a blow, but you can see we did manage to get through there. Obviously we hit it loads of times, so you know it's a glancing blow. I would say these are going to defend against, but that is your chainsaw protection. That's the chainsaw protection that goes in the side of the boot there. So does that go like that? No, some like that somehow, so maybe it goes over the foot like that. So when it goes on there, look, you can see it does miss the heel. So it goes over the top like that, doesn't it? That's how it goes, something like that. So it seems to miss the heel somehow, maybe a little bit. But anyway, that's what's protecting your feet, that much. Yeah, I think that concludes. They do work. They will stop a saw and run down, a glancing blow across the steel toe cap. They will stop it against the side, the back of your heel. Now that seems to be a real vulnerable area. Hopefully that gives you some useful information. None of these tests are perfect. We're doing it in the field. I'm no professional. Well, I'm a professional tree surgeon, but you can see that chainsaws will get through the boots. Be safe. Don't piss around with saws. They're doing it.
Hey, monkey!
Yeah.
So what did you think of the chainsaw boot test?
I thought it was very good, actually. Yes, I thought it was very good. It was a good test. It's proof to me that Lavero boots are worth the money, They're
That's the brand
safe,
naming.
they're good boots, and I feel safe wearing them whilst using a chainsaw on the ground. Yes, definitely. Laveros.
We'll assume all chainsaw boots use the same sort of thing.
They don't. Laveros are the best.
Fucking fanboy over here. Anyway, yeah, so there you go. So we did a test as best as we could. Admittedly, yes, we're hitting the boot multiple times, so you know they will withstand one strike in general. Definitely across the steel toe cap. The vulnerable areas seem to be just behind the steel toe cap and your heels, and the bit where the sole and the the ankle there. How am I going to show them that?
Just point the phone.
Yeah, the ankle bit there. That's where there's no, your protection stops there. And also, where's the other, and the other vulnerable bit is the bit in between the sole and the boot itself, where the join. Because we did a second saw test and it went straight through it after multiple hits. So anyway, yeah. Hopefully this video fucking helps.
Stay safe.